This is me, Pradeep Singh. Welcome back to the channel Innovative Explosion. Today I will tell you 5 words that will help you enhance your vocabulary. So let's get started. The word number 1 is ancient. That means बहुत ज़्यादा पुराना. So the English meaning is related to the past. So the sentence is it is an ancient tomb. ये बहुत ज़्यादा पुराना मकबरा है. So the word number 2 is delicate, which means नाजुक. So the English meaning is easily destroyed. The sentence is Mona Lisa is an delicate piece of art. Mona Lisa एक नाजुक चित्रकला है. So the word number 3 is enough. That means काफी, and the English meaning is sufficient. So the sentence is 2 chapatis are enough for my dinner. 2 चपाती मेरे लिए काफी है. So the word number 4 is pungent. That means sharp, and the Hindi meaning is तीखा. So the sentence is we need a pungent knife to cut a watermelon. हमें एक तीखा चाकू चाहिए तरबूज काटने के लिए. The word number 5 is overwork. That means ज़्यादा काम करना. The English meaning is to work beyond strength. So the sentence is my mom do overwork. मेरी मम्मी ज़्यादा काम करती है. So that's all for today's video. I'll meet you in the next video. So please subscribe to my channel Innovative Explosion and smash that like button. Bye bye.